So guys, it's a rainy day, guys. Everywhere is soaked, it's wet and soaked. Look at me, guys, so wet and soaked. So on my way going to school, I'm on my way going to school, guys. I didn't know that there was rain. Just after I come down from upstairs that I discovered that there is rain. So it's a rainy day. This is me going to school inside the rain. I have no choice after dropping the children off school. So this is me going for my own class, going to school. You see my body is so wet, so it's even penetrating to my inner shirt that I wore under.